my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not true, He would have told me so. He has gone away to live in thy bright city. He's preparing me a mansion that I know. Jesus died upon the cross to bear my sorrow. Freely died that souls like you might have new life. But I know that soon will come the bright tomorrow, when the world will all be free from sin and strife. Do not shun the Savior's love from up in glory, or you won't be there to sing the gospel story. In my Father's house of many mansions. If you're true, then to this land